A couple little items. I think I can provide links for them. If so, I'll put them, down below. That one's, not sure we'll get to that. This one's obviously a USB car charger thing. Output 150 watts. 3 amps. I think that's actually reasonably good. USB-C is at 3.1 amps. And the USB-C PD is 20 watts. It's pretty good, I think. I'll possibly use this, I think. Looks nice. Unfortunately, I can't really plug it in right here to show you, but assuming everything works, can we see that? Oh no, where's the all being focused on my hand? That says PD, I don't know. And that's 3.1 amps, 3.1 amps in blue. And then you've got an orange super charging, I presume. And then you have a SCP QC3. And that's green. I will probably definitely be using this, I think. Sadly, I can't plug it in. I'd say the rim here possibly has some lighting. I don't know. For this little box. Look, there's my apologies. There's some noise in the background, but I'm just going to keep going anyway. So we've got this little box. Oh, here we go. It says wireless earphone. Other than that, I can't really read anything. Charge time 1 to 2 hours. That's it. Wireless earphone. Got a little mirror on it, maybe. You see that? And we have a old USB, it's not USB-C. Smallest instruction booklet I've ever seen. User manual. Buy some glasses before reading, it says. I think that's a little bit too small for me to sit here and read right now. Look at it. Kind of cute though. Shame it's not USB-C. What's that for? Why's that got a jack in there? How do you open it? I don't want to break it. Oh, there we go. I think I just made it harder than it should be. Okay. There's literally just a mirror. I was kind of hoping it was like a two-way mirror. It's just a mirror. These things are tiny. Not sure what I'm looking at. Oh, you know what? I think that's a battery. I have a suspicion these things have, I don't know, it's blue. Oh yeah, something happened just by me pulling it off. Oh, did I touch it or something? Turns it on. I don't know. I think I'll have to get the little tiny micro user manual and try to read it. I'll take a photo of it with my phone and blow it up that way. I think there's actually a sticker over these little terminals. Don't want to pull it off though, just in case. I think that's what's going on there. Other than that, they're kind of cute. If they work, I might use them, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Suppose I'll just write down below whether they're any good or not. And I'll just put links to all this stuff down below. You can go take a look and buy for yourselves, maybe. It's not too expensive. That's that.